Introducing the Armor All 2.5-Gallon 2 Peak HP Wet Dry Vacuum, a compact yet powerful cleaning solution designed to tackle a wide range of tasks with ease. Boasting a robust 2-peak HP motor and a 2.5-gallon polypropylene tank, this vacuum excels in both wet and dry pickup applications. Its lightweight and portable design makes it ideal for use in cars, garages, shops, and beyond. With convenient onboard accessory storage and a versatile blower function, this vacuum offers unparalleled versatility and efficiency for all your cleaning needs. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Performance and design. This vacuum offers commendable performance with its sleek design. With a 2-peak HP motor and a 2.5-gallon polypropylene tank, it efficiently handles wet and dry pickup tasks. This vacuum's lightweight and portable nature makes it a versatile tool for various cleaning needs, whether in the garage, shop, or car. Number 2. Versatility. Equipped with a 10 feet cord and a blower function for easy conversion, this vacuum is not limited to just cleaning. It can also serve as a blower for drying motorcycles, car grills, and wheels, adding to its versatility. Moreover, the onboard accessory and hose storage ensure convenient organization, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. Number 3. Accessories. This vacuum comes with a range of accessories, including a 6 feet into 1 by 4-inch hose, reusable cloth filter, foam wet filter, 2-in-1 utility nozzle with brush, crevice tool, deluxe car nozzle, blower nozzle with adapter, and detail brush. These accessories enhance its cleaning capabilities, allowing users to tackle various surfaces and tight spaces with ease. Number 4. Detailing capabilities. The deluxe car nozzle and detail brush are specifically designed for meticulous cleaning tasks. The car nozzle facilitates reaching tight spaces within vehicles, ensuring thorough cleaning of dashboards, vents, and electronic components. Meanwhile, the detail brush proves effective in addressing intricate areas, making it suitable for detailed cleaning tasks. Number 5. Ease of use. With its simple push-button controller and touch control method, operating this vacuum is straightforward. The 2.5-amp motor ensures sufficient power for efficient cleaning, while the noise level of 82 decibels remains tolerable during operation. Additionally, the vacuum's compact form factor and portable design contribute to its user-friendly nature. Number 6. Warranty. Backed by a 2-year warranty, users can trust in the durability and reliability of this product for their cleaning needs. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 10.6 inches length by 14.2 inches width by 14.4 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Armor All 2.5-Gallon 2 Peak HP Wet Dry Vacuum emerges as a reliable and versatile cleaning companion for various environments. Its powerful motor, compact design, and an array of accessories make it well-suited for tasks ranging from car detailing to workshop cleanup. With features like onboard accessory storage and a convenient blower function, it offers efficiency and convenience in one package. Backed by a 2-year warranty, users can trust in its durability and performance over time. Overall, this vacuum stands out as a valuable addition to any cleaning arsenal, delivering exceptional results with every use. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links, and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.